a guide you to find suggested friends on your Instagram. So let's go to Instagram. Here in the top, you can find this little heart. So if you tap on that, here you can see all the notifications that people who followed you and you followed back, you have requested the friend. So you have messaged them, the story and the likes and every notification of Instagram can be seen here. So if you scroll down here, you can find suggested for you. And if you scroll down like this, you can see all suggestions. So if you tap here, see from here you can see that you can find from Facebook. So these the people that the followers of you or the following of you might follow these persons. So that has been suggesting you like this. If you need to follow any of them, and you can go to this account, and if that is private account, you can see those photos or the post that that they have posted. If it is public account, then you can see and you can go for the friend of them. This is how you can find suggested friends on Instagram. Thank you.